Hello, I'm Jay, owner of Volunteer Audio in Oliver Springs, Tennessee. And I want to show you one of our latest builds. So I'm pretty excited about this. A lot of people have reached out and they've asked, when are you going to do a build with all the Infinity Kappa Perfect speakers? Well, today is your day. This is a 2017 Street Glide Special. Kelly, the owner, brought it to me with the normal problems that we see from stock Harley audio. He's got the GT radio. GT is the radio with the rubber buttons on the side. It's got navigation, it's got Bluetooth, but it doesn't do Apple CarPlay. It doesn't do Android Auto. The display is pretty hard to see in the sun, and the sound is pretty terrible unless you flash the radio to fix all of its flaws. But even then, the Bluetooth takes forever to connect. So one of the first things we're going to do to it is we're going to upgrade it to a new radio. We're going to use the SoundStream HD-HU14 GTS style radio. That's going to make it look like a new bike. It's going to add faster Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a great EQ so we can make this sound as good as we can. It's also going to retain our thumb controls, and this particular radio is IPX6 rated. So it's the same water rating as the factory radio, so we don't have to worry about getting caught in the rain. Let's talk about the next part. So the speakers, these are the factory regular Harley speakers. They're about a 5¼ inch speaker, but you can put a 6.5 right in this location. So we're going to be putting the Infinity Kappa Perfect 600X component speakers in the front. Now we're going to mount them like a coaxial with the tweeter in the middle, and we're going to use the new Infinity grills. It's going to give this variant a much better look because the grill looks better, the radio looks better, and it's just going to update it greatly. Next, we're going to take it from 2 speakers to 4. So we're going to use the Infinity Kappa Perfect 900X 6x9s as well, and that's going to give us that surround sound, and the 6x9s are going to give you more bass and more rear fill, so it's going to have a much better sound. But to make all of that sound like it should, we're also going to be adding this amplifier. So this is one of the amps we build here at Volunteer Audio. It's completely plug and play to our HD-HU14 SoundStream radio. It's for a very, very easy install. All you have to do is plug this into the radio, plug the factory radio connector in here, route this back to the battery, and you're going. Because we've already set all the gains, all the filters, everything is preset exactly for this system. So we've got a lot of work ahead of us. I hope you hang out and watch the video and see the results when we get done at the end. So hang out with us. All right, so I've got this 2017 Street Glide Special out that we just got done with the Infinity Kappa Perfect 600X and 900X speakers. We've got the Hertz 600-watt amplifier and the SoundStream HD-HU14 radio. So I'm fixing to fire up some copyright-free music, and we're going to walk away and see just how clear it is. Yep, that mic keeps getting smaller, but as you see, it's still very, very loud, very, very crisp, good bass. Again, this is just using our 600-watt Hertz amp. A lot of people tell you need 2,000 watts to sound good. With the right speakers and an amp that does real power, 600 watts is plenty. Here we are, probably about 120, 130 feet, let's go a little further. I think you get kind of the idea. It's extremely loud. And I really appreciate you watching the build video, checking us out, seeing what these Infinities sound like. Thank you for watching Volunteer Audio on YouTube. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Please like this video. Comment if you have any questions. Definitely reach out to us, 1-844-30-AUDIO. You can also visit us at volunteeraudio.com to see our available audio packages, and email us at sales@volaudio.com. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless.